Next up, we got Wenssel888's. Everett, what's up, man? Looking for some Pats cards. Box 98, 2010. Classics. Empty. Haven't opened this in forever, I don't think. And then again, that could have been a week ago. Can't remember. Insert Team Colors, Ryan Matthews. Base. First hit, Cam Newton. Scratch that. Armonte Edwards. Numbered to 50. I guess that's a patch. It says prime. Looks like jersey. And Nicolette. Cocoa Nut. That's what I meant to say. Kevin Boss. Cocoa Nut. Is that a monkey? Looks like a coconut. Rookie Brandon Graham. Are those numbered? Yeah, $9.99. Rookie Brian Balaga, $9.99. Next jersey, Matt Forte, $2.25. Just base. Insert Marion Barber. Blue Classic Singles, Bernie Kosar, Randall Cunningham, Jim Kelly, 23 of 25. Team Colors, Rob Gronkowski. Base. Gold card, Demaryius Thomas, numbered to 50, a rookie. Ricky Sapp, $9.99. The Herman Cain card. Ed Too Tall Jones. Was Ed Too Tall Jones? Too Tall. Parish Cops, $9.99. Chuck Howley, man, you're looking for 2 hits and 3 packs. I think this is a 4-packer, right? I can't remember that. 2010. Sometimes Classics was 3. Where is it? Oh, it doesn't say. I think some year Classic was 3 and some was 4. Doug Flutie, $9.99. Here's something. No, not at all. Jackie Slater, Legend, $9.99. Autograph Morgan Burnett to $4.99. I can't remember, honestly, Wenzel, if this is supposed to be 4-pack. If not, but just in case, I'll give you an empty pack and a barcode. You may have got shorted a hit. I think some Classics were 3 hits and some were 4. But this one had an Armonte Edwards patch, Matt Forte jersey, and Morgan Burnett autograph. No Patriots. But yeah, I'll give you the barcode in the pack just in case it is shorted one. You can hook up with Panini and they'll get it for you. I appreciate it, man. I'll get it on the way. See ya.